This is our Igbo lessons. Again, thank you for coming. Thank you for your support on this channel. Chineke gozie gi. Chukwu gozie gi, meaning may God bless you. We are in part 4 of common Igbo phrases. And there are other ones, previous ones, please watch them. And if you have questions, please comment down below or send it to my mail. I will always respond, no matter how busy I am. Thank you. Bilie n'ụra. Bilie n'ụra. Or you will say teta n'ụla. Teta n'ụla. Bilie n'ụra or teta n'ụra. Teta n'ụla means wake up from sleep. You can as well say teta n'ụla or teta n'ụra. Biko bịa nyere m aka. Biko bịa nyere m aka. Meaning, please come and help me. You know, if you need help, learn to know how to ask for help politely. Next. Bịa ngwa ngwa. Bịa ngwa ngwa. Bịa ọsịsọ means come very fast. If something is happening and you need to kind of ambulance, bịa ọsịsọ. Now, onye na-akpọ m? This is a question. Onye na-akpọ m? Meaning, who is calling me? Who is calling me? Ebe ka ego m dị? Ebe ka ego m dị? Or kedu ego m? Kedu ego m? It means, where is my money? Where is my money? Ebe ka ego m dị? Or kedu ego m? If someone is owing you and you happen to see him or her, the next is, where is my money? You say it go. In fact, if you're watching me and you are owing anybody, if you don't have the money, call the person and explain your situation. Else, it will linger to something else. Next. Ịmara mma. Ịmara mma. It means you are beautiful. Women like to hear this. You are beautiful. As if to say they are not beautiful before. Why will you always want to hear the praise? Everyone created by God is beautiful. Anytime you think you are not beautiful, then Satan is talking to you. So in Igbo language, it means ịmara mma. Next. Emela mkpọtụ. Emela mkpọtụ. Don't make noise. Emela mkpọtụ. You know, if you are in the church and some people will see it as a place of meeting and they will be discussing. So if someone is sleeping and doesn't need noise, please respect anyone that is sleeping. Whether it's a baby or adult, respect sleeping time. There will be no noise. And in Igbo, you say, Emela mkpọtụ. We actually come to the end again. I am making it snappy because previous video, people didn't watch to the end. And therefore, I want to be making it short so that it will not be overloaded. So that we will not be missing any part. I want to see your comment down below. Please, bikonu, bikozienu, deifo denana, nebane denife. Write your comment there. Don't leave without writing something. Let me know your mind. I want to make sure that I'm satisfying you. That is my major goal. And if you don't write something, I wouldn't know your opinion. Correct, comment, you can even argue. Say what you want to say, and I'll be there to respond. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.